Okay, now B, Laplace inverse 11s squared plus 2s plus 21 over s squared plus 3. Okay, so as usual, we must look at the denominator. So you look at here, there is s squared plus 3. So there is no such item from the table. If we expand also s power 3 plus 3s, also there is no such term from the table. Okay, that's mean. So you look at overall, this is function divided by function, so we can apply partial fraction. Okay, do we need to do long division or not? No, because the power at the top is already less than the power or degree from the bottom, so we do not have to do the long division. We can proceed. Okay, so perform partial fraction. Okay, so this function can be write as partial fraction like this. Right. So since this is linear, so we must the constant at the top must the function at the top must be constant only. Since this is quadratic, the function at the top must be linear. We already used A, so step next with B. So this is linear BS plus C. Okay, so this is, we have to equate. Sorry, next. S squared plus 3. Okay, do darab silang. Okay, since at the bottom similar, that's mean at the top also the same. So you can equate. I already expand, right? So I want to expand directly. So this is AS squared. This is BS. This is BS squared. Sorry. This is BS squared. This is CS. Is it correct? AS squared plus 3A. This is BS squared plus CS. Okay. Okay, so the idea is we want to find what is the values of A and B and C. So you must compare left hand side and right hand side. The highest power is S squared, so the item we have is squared. Left hand side is 11. Right hand side of S squared, A plus B. Next, S only. Left hand side 2. Right hand side C. So we already get C is 2. Next, we have constant. Left hand side is 21. Left hand side constant 3A. So from here we get A is 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Okay, since we already know A and C, from here we know that B is 11 minus A, right? B is 11 minus A, but we already know A is 7. This is get 4. Okay, now we know that A7, B4, C2. So we substitute back into our partial fraction. That is our A, 7. What is our B? 4. What our C? 2. Okay, this can be write separately from properties. A plus B over C is A over C plus B over C, right? So like this, A plus B over C, from your SPM, this is the rule. Okay, so we can spread for S over okay, that's mean now we can proceed with the Laplace inverse. Laplace inverse of this. So the constant I take out, that's 4 constant I take out. The constant 2 I take out. Okay, now we can proceed with 7 is 7. Now look at Laplace inverse 1 over S. So denominator or the function at the bottom is S only. So what do you think? So this must be constant only, constant 1. Okay, next Laplace inverse S over S squared plus 3. So you look at the denominator or the function at the bottom is S squared plus constant, but at the top there is S. So this must be cos. Cos what? Cos what? This. Cos square root 3. T plus 2. Okay, this thing Laplace inverse 1 over S squared plus 3. So you look at the function at the bottom, S squared plus constant, and the top is constant only. So this must be sine. But sine what? Sine like this. Since we want it be sine, so it is, we must fabricate but do not change the original form. Okay, now that this is the whole is sine square root 3t. So this is actually 7 for cos okay, that's the answer.